Hey everyone, welcome back to Blighty Days. Our new video make your life in the kitchen easier and more fun. Today, we've got some incredible food hacks that are absolute game changers. Let's get started. Hack number 1. The avocado saver. We all love avocados, but keeping them fresh after cutting can be a real hassle. Here's a simple trick. Store your cut avocado with a chunk of red onion. It sounds strange, but it works wonders. The onion prevents the avocado from browning too quickly. Let's try it out. Hack number 2. The garlic peeling shake. Peeling garlic can be tedious, right? Not anymore. Just place your garlic cloves in a jar, give it a good shake, and voila, the skins come right off. Let's shake things up. Next is a simple and easy step. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly tips and tricks. Moving on to hack number 3, the banana ripening trick. Got some green bananas but need them ripe ASAP? No problem. Just place them in a paper bag and close it up. The ethylene gas they emit will get trapped and speed up the ripening process. Watch this. Hack number 4 is a real lifesaver. The boil-over stopper. Just place a wooden spoon across top of your pot when boiling pasta or potatoes. It'll keep the water from spilling over. When the water boils and bubbles reach the spoon, they burst and collapse rather than spilling over. This occurs because the wooden spoon, being cooler than the boiling water, causes the bubbles to lose their steam and collapse. This one is my favorite hack. Benefits of this are: it prevents messy spillovers on your stove, saving you cleaning time, and allows you to multitask in the kitchen without constantly watching the pot. And finally, hack number 5, the bread reviver. Don't throw away that stale bread. Just run it under a tap to dampen the outside, and then pop it in the oven for a few minutes. It'll taste as good as new. Let's give it a try. And there you have it, folks, 5 simple yet effective food hacks to make your life easier. Try them out and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to Blighty Days for more awesome kitchen tips. See you next time.